What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I'm down in Virginia at my brother's for Thanksgiving. He has some sweet potatoes in these grow bags, and we're going to harvest them right now. So we had some mulch in there, so I'm going to remove that and keep that to the side. See a couple sweet potatoes. Put these to the side for now. Nice. Cool. Okay, that looks like it's about it on that pot. A little potato. So these were the sweet potato slips that I ended up bringing down to my brother's when I started growing them. And then mine I planted a little bit after he planted his. But hey, I'm very happy with the results so far. Dive into this bag. Put these out. Yeah, cool. Thinking that may be it. Keep checking. Yeah, it looks like we're all done. Hey, so check it out. I'm pretty happy with this. Give my brother and his wife something to try out. Try a new recipe out. Let me know what they think about them. Having some fresh sweet potatoes. So, what we used were 7-gallon grow bags. And these were planted late again. They were probably planted like the end of July, but they were before mine, a few weeks before mine. So this was another experiment. I'm very pleased with the results again. Like I said, you know, as long as you're getting something out of your harvest, I consider that a win. There's so many times when people are scared to plant and they never get anything. So I'm like, I might as well throw it in the ground, see what happens. It gives me an idea, and then also it sets up a time frame of what we need for bigger, larger, you know, harvest. I mean, this is not the biggest sweet potato, but it's bigger than those sweet potatoes that I got. And you know, if we had it in springtime, it would have all of spring and summer to grow. Our problem was when we planted it, the sun angle's changing, so the days are actually getting shorter after June 21st. So, you know, we're kind of working against the clock with that. But in the big scheme of things, I'm still very happy. Like I said, anytime you can get some produce out of the garden for little or no money, it's a great thing. I already had the sweet potato, the slips were growing, just throw them in the ground. So thanks for coming along and checking this out. Everybody have a great day.